And as doctors and nurses face serious challenges on the front lines, Marvel Comics has teamed up with the Allegheny Health Network in Pittsburgh to showcase healthcare heroes in a new comic book. The Vitals True Nurse Stories highlights real nurses' experiences during the COVID-19 pandemic. And we spoke to some of those heroes to get their reactions. They're the everyday heroes we know so well.
My dad is super brave.
She helps people who are really sick.
Now Marvel and the Allegheny Health Network are teaming up to give nurses on the front lines the treatment they deserve, putting their real stories of heroism on the pages of a comic book called The Vitals.
I don't consider myself a superhero, but I consider myself as a nurse who takes super care of my patients. I really do the best for my patients.
It's an amazing, for a lot of people, I think it's out of sight, out of mind. We're quarantined or just in your house all day. You don't realize all the stuff that's going on in hospitals every single day all over the country. Hopefully this is just a small window into that.
Sometimes it's so hard when you have to FaceTime with the family and say, do you think you are ready to say goodbye to your loved ones? Those are the hard moments. We do the best that we can do, and their family members are not alone. We are there for them. And we are there not only for the patient, but also for the families.
Their hard work and dedication now preserved in Marvel comic history.
So hopefully people can read these stories and just know for real what the real heroic things they were actually doing all the time while keeping us safe.
In April 17, I decided to shave my hair. I was working in the COVID unit. It was really unknown for all of us. This COVID, it was all over, and then it came to us, and we started having the first patients. And so I decided to shave my hair completely because and the way the book said, I think it's just one less distraction to deal with. That is really because we nurses, we are not concerned about ourselves. We are concerned about others.
What I take away from it is just how amazing these nurses are, and the hard work and dedication and the danger they put themselves in every single day just to save people. My number one goal is I want to make sure the nurses like it and that they feel seen while reading it. And so the fact that it seems like they have is been the greatest reward of all of this.
When I first saw the comic book, I cried, because it's amazing that they hit it right on the nail.
Just to believe that our stories are on a comic book that is really, a lot of people read it, and it's not that we are not superheroes. We just do our job, and we just work, and you can see from page 1 up to the last page, you can see how our job is not, there are a lot of challenges. It's not that you come on duty and this is, I just have to do this, I just have to do that. No, your day goes 1 minute after the other is completely different. And now with the COVID situation, it is really different.
If having compassion and caring for people and having that sense of empathy for what people are going through, I think that's a pretty awesome superpower to have.
We are not superheroes, but we are trying to be with our patients and to be there. I just tell them, I'm here with you, you are not alone. Because they are alone.
Such powerful stories there, and now recorded again in Marvel history. Our thank you to the Allegheny Health Network and all the superheroes across the world for everything you're doing right now to keep us through.
And I love the name, The Vitals. That I can see the movie now. It's catchy and so true. And maybe it reminds us of a different kind of heroism, an everyday heroism that we are seeing all across the country in this pandemic. And thank you to them.
They have been vital, that's for sure.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.